Okay guys, you're welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to off your status online and how to hide your online status on Facebook. So let's dive in. You click on this your profile menu button, and the next thing is click on your settings, and the next thing you're going to do is scroll up till you find active status. Click on active status, and what you need to do is just click on off. And once you turn off, no bother we're going to say that you are online. If you are online, you're going to find offline. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and subscribe for more, and you can drop the comments any topic you want me to do a tutorial for you. I'm gonna get you covered, and I'm going to drop the tutorial for fast. So guys, thank you for watching.